Many persons are still having issues with completing Mango Testnet on their mobile device. That is downloading the app and using it to complete most of the task. In this video, I want to show you how I do most of the task using my mobile device. Now, if you are participating on the Mango Testnet or if you have not started already, use the link in the description to create an account, and I have a video on how to do that. All right, so watch the video to see how to create your account. After that is done, it is important that you create you download the application. There's a task there for you to download the application and then import your wallet into the application using the private key you got while creating your account. Make sure that it is on Mango Testnet. You can see at the top right corner here, Mango Testnet. Make sure that it is set to Mango Testnet because everything you are doing will be on the Mango Testnet. Now, once that is done, you will need to come to the DApp section here. You see this DApp section? You need to come to the DApp section. It means decentralized applications. Inside every wallet applications, you always have the DApp section. MetaMask has it, Trust Wallet has it. Every Web3 wallet application has a decentralized application section. Then once you come here, for if you're just starting newly, you should come to this Mango section. From this list of chains you have here, come to Mango. All right, so the first option you see here is the Mango network testnet task. You can decide to favorite it. Once you favorite it, it will always appear at the top here. So always open the Mango Testnet network testnet. Okay, once you do that, connecting your wallet using the mobile device becomes very easy because everything will be connected inside the application. You won't have any issues with the connection or anything at all. So just come to the top of your screen here where you see connect. You click on it, then you click on the BeingDex, which is the application that you just downloaded. Remember, on this testnet, we are not just testing their network or by doing swaps and all of that. We are also testing their wallet application, which is this Being application that you will download. So I will click on it and then I'll click on confirm. You can see it is connected automatically. You can see it is connected here. Then the next thing, you scroll down and click on. For those who are just starting for the very first time, these are the tasks you need to complete. First one is to bind your wallet, which will automatically happen once you do this, once you connect your wallet. Next is to follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord community, and join a Telegram group. Like I said, I have a video on that. Check my previous video. I also post the link to the video on the description of this video, or this particular video, so that you can easily go back to it and see how to complete all of this task. Okay, and then once you are done with all of that, you click on join now. Then after you have clicked on join now, you are going to see the list of tasks you can complete. From the task list here, you're going to see all the tasks you are supposed to complete. Now, I've also noticed that a lot of people are missing the most important task that you are supposed to complete on this Mango Testnet. It is not this task list you are supposed to. These task lists are important, but they are not the most important one. The most important task you must complete is this sign in. You see sign in here. Every day once you open your application, you are supposed to click on sign in. You can see this my sign in, right? I have been on this since 2nd of January and I have not missed a day. This is very important. The team has said it that they will pay more attention to active participation over referral rewards. So if you think that you can just register, share your link, get a lot of referrals, and then cash out big on this testnet when they finally launch, you will be very disappointed because at the end of the day, they will pay more attention to activities which include daily signing, swapping, and every other task you have completed. So once you click on sign in, you can do this on your mobile device, which is the application. You can do this with your laptop. I click on sign in, then I confirm this with my wallet. You can see how easy it is to do this using your mobile device. Sign in successfully. So I have signed in for the day. Now, using your mobile device, which is the BeingDex app, there are some tasks that you will complete easily using the app. One of the most important tasks you should complete using the app is this BeingDex app that will give you 10 points. This 10 points. This testnet doesn't give out much points, so every point is important. If you want to complete the BeingDex app task, just click on it. Make sure you log in using the application, just like I have done here. You scroll down and click to claim gas. You can see you can click it twice. I'll click it again, and you can claim gas twice a day using the application. If I click it for the third time, it will tell me your address has reached the upper limit for receiving money on this test chain. You can see it is completed. It is completed. Then I go back. And for those that have not yet downloaded the application, using your browser on this BeingDex app task, you will see the links to download it. The first link here is to download on Android, and then the second link here is to download on iOS. Okay, that is for iPhone, and then the first one is for Android, the second one is for iOS. So download the application, import your wallet using your passphrase, the one you got from your browser when you registered. And then so many other tasks here you can complete it with your mobile device. Like for example, the Mango swap. In my previous video, I've shown you how to complete most of these tasks, but I will just touch on it again. This second task here, Mango bridge. Now, this particular task, you might not be able to complete it with the app, because this one involves making a swap from the Mango network to Ethereum, and from Mango network to Binance Smart Chain. So you will need MetaMask. So what I do is that this particular task, every day once I log in using the application, this number one, I complete it with the application, with this BeingDex application. Number two, I complete it with my browser on my laptop. So I swap from MetaMask to the Mango network. I swap from Mango network back to MetaMask. It is easy to complete this with my laptop. For those who don't have a laptop, in my previous video, I've shown you how to do this particular task using your Mises browser in your Android device. Okay, so you can also complete this using your browser. That is your Mises browser. Just make sure that you install the Mango Testnet extension and also install MetaMask extension. Have the required tokens on both of these wallets, and you can swap from one to the other. Then the next one you can do is the BeingDex Beta DApp. Okay, so this particular BeingDex DApp, all you have to do is to swap two tokens, AI to USDT and USDT back to AI. So this is how I complete this. Now I'll click on go to task. I wait for this to load. Then you make sure that you connect your wallet. If your wallet is not connected, just click on the top here. Let me disconnect this and connect back. Just click on the top here, connect wallet, click on BeingDex, and your wallet will be connected automatically. Very easy to connect using this particular app. So once that is done, you come to AI USDT. I click on AI USDT. Then what I need to do is use my USDT to buy AI token. Okay, now one more important thing you need to do is that you see this place that is limit order. This limit order, change it to market order. If you leave it at limit order, your price, your buy or sell might not be picked. So the first thing you should do is change it to market order. Once you change it to market order, once you click on buy or sell, it will automatically be filled up. So I am buying 100%. I'm buying with 100% of my AI. I'm buying with 100% of my USDT. I click on buy and wait for that to load. I click on confirm, and once it loads, it will take some time, and that is it. Operation successful. I have completed the first part of the task. I switch to sell section. I switch to sell, and I also make sure that it is on market order. Okay, then I will sell all of the AI that I just bought. Now I'll sell it back to USDT. I will click on confirm. Okay, once that is done, wait for that. Operation successful. I have completed the task. Then right now I will go back. I will go back to the Mango Testnet task session. Okay, now another important thing you do is after completing the task, return back to this page and click on submit for each of the tasks you completed. Once it is synchronizing, it will take a little time and then it will mark completed. Then you click on submit for the second one as well. So once it is synchronizing, your work is done. Give it time based on, depending on how congested the network is, it will be confirmed and your point will be added to your balance. Okay, so all you have to do is just make sure that you complete the task. Remember, like I've said, the Mango Bridge, complete this particular Mango Bridge task using your complete this particular one using your browser, which is Mises browser or your Chrome on your desktop, so that you can swap from Mango network to MetaMask, which is Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. And then this Mango swap here, all you have to do is to make 3 simple swaps and you will get 3 points. Okay, swap MGO to USDT, exchange USDT to MAI, then exchange MAI to USDT. 3 simple tasks. You complete them, you click on submit for each of them, and you will get your points. Okay, so I believe this is all to show you how to complete it. You see how easy it is to complete it using the application. So just download this application. Make sure you import your wallet using the same seed phrase you got when creating your account. Once that is done, it becomes very easy to complete this task. And another way to get testnet tokens is from Discord. So always click on Discord. So you click on Discord and copy your wallet address. Let me show you how to do that. Let me copy my wallet address from Mango here. How do I click on this, I click on copy. All right, so I have copied my wallet address. Let me go now and complete that task. So once you copy your Mango wallet address, you come to their Discord. This is their Discord server, right? Then you come under Mango faucet. You see Mango faucet here. I'll click on that. You can see other persons are submitting their wallet address as well. Then under the message section, from the message section, I tap at MG. It will bring out their bot. Okay, this is the bot I need to tag. You can see this first option here. I select it, then I select that, and then I paste my wallet address. Okay, I paste my wallet and then I click on send. I click on send. All right, so once that is sent, the next thing I will do is to return to the application and click on complete that task. So once this is sent, I will return to my Mango Testnet platform. Okay, and then let me get this now. Okay, this is the Discord task, yes. So I'll click on that and then I'll click on submit because I've already submitted my wallet in their Discord. I've already submitted my wallet address on their Discord. This is all I need to do, and as time goes on, they will approve it and my points will be added to my balance. So guys, this is all you need to do to participate on this Mango testnet. Take it seriously because this is one of the testnet that looks quite promising. All right, if there's any question, you can always ask me in the comment section or in my WhatsApp group. All right, so if there's anything at all, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Bye for now, guys.